So I started off this project with a board and maple. I used the plastic case for my sandpaper to trace out the shape of my spoon rest. I traced it out twice. These two could then be cut on the miter saw to make them more manageable. Then they could be cut over on the bandsaw. For one of these, I needed to cut out the middle so that only the outside was left. Again, this is cut out on the bandsaw. I could then refine the shape with some hand sanding and a file. This could then be glued to the top of the other piece and clamped and left to dry. Once dry, I removed the clamps and sanded the outside to make the two pieces flush with each other. Also, I have links to all the tools and materials I use in the description below, so please check it out. I next marked out for a groove along the outside that will catch any liquids that would run off the spoon. I carved this groove out with my Dremel and refined the shape with some hand sanding. I then used my Dremel with a sanding attachment to refine the shape of the spoon rest. I could then give the whole thing a final sanding up to 220 grit. The last step was to apply several coats of this butcher block finish. I applied it heavily, let it sit a while, and then wiped off the excess. And with that, this project was complete. It came out extremely well, and I am very happy with it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.